Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic IELTS topic, hometown and the countryside. Paul, let's start with the basics. Could you describe your hometown a little?
Certainly, I hail from a charming coastal town in the eastern part of the country. It's a place that perfectly blends historical architecture with modern amenities. It's primarily well known for its stunning beaches and a vibrant local seafood scene that attracts tourists from all over.
That sounds idyllic. Is it a big city or a small place?
I'd categorize it as a mid-sized town. It's not a sprawling metropolis by any means, but it's certainly not a sleepy village either. It has just the right amount of hustle and bustle without being overwhelming. What about you, Emily? How long have you been living in your current area?
I've been a resident of my city for the better part of a decade. I absolutely adore it, mainly because of its cultural diversity and the endless array of galleries and theaters. However, over the last 20 years, the city has undergone a massive transformation. It has become significantly more industrialized, and while the infrastructure has improved, we've unfortunately lost some of our green spaces.
That's a common trade-off in urban development. Do you think you will continue living there for a long time?
For the foreseeable future, yes, due to my studies. But eventually, I'd love to live in the countryside. I find the tranquility and the pace of life in rural areas incredibly appealing.
I can relate. I actually lived in the countryside during my childhood. The stark difference between the city and the countryside is, of course, the air quality and the sense of peace. In the city, everything is fast-paced, whereas in the country, people tend to take their time and enjoy the simple things, like gardening or long walks in nature.
Exactly. Whenever I spend time in the countryside, I love to go hiking or simply enjoy the silence. It's the perfect way to recharge your batteries.